Antoninus Pius, Mr. Nice Guy. The caretaker Emperor Antoninus was so good at caretaking that he ruled more than 20 years, and proved that Hadrian's plan of let's choose a nice guy was actually the best succession plan ever. The defining feature of his reign was the total absence of defining features. Antoninus was the most normal emperor. He was super normal. He was inhumanly normal. He was normal to a point when people ceased to be normal. He was very moderate, very respectful to everyone, never killed a senator, never left Italy, was a very good administrator. The economy of the state was in a very good condition, probably in the best condition ever. That said, there is a certain problem with the sources for the reign of Antoninus Pius. The account of Cassius Dio is gone. Only a tiny fragment survives. That leaves us with the report from Historia Augusta. Historia Augusta stays reasonable when describing the good emperors. Nothing outrageous, and occasionally it even looks like a normal historical source. I mean, on par with Cassius Dio, who is, well, occasionally weird and unreliable and sensationalistic, and but readable. But Historia Augusta is a terrible book, and when it is your main source, well, you're in trouble. Other additional sources we have are the epitomes, the summaries of Roman history, like Breviarium of Eutropius, and the epitome attributed to Sextus Aurelius Victor. Everyone praises Antoninus Pius, but we just don't have enough details. The two kids left to Antoninus by Hadrian, his successors, were all grown up. The oldest of them was 40, because Antoninus ruled for 23 years. After all of these adoptions, they changed their names. Lucius Cionius Commodus became Lucius Aurelius Verus, and Marcus Annius Verus became Marcus Aurelius Antoninus. Antoninus Pius died in the year 161, and it was expected that Marcus Aurelius, the better of two, also a nephew and a son-in-law of Antoninus, it was expected that he will become the emperor, while Lucius Verus will become something else, probably a dead body. That was a tradition. But Marcus Aurelius prepared a very unusual plot twist.